Artificial intelligence, AI, refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think, learn, and solve problems in ways that typically require human cognition. AI systems can perform tasks such as recognizing patterns, making decisions, understanding natural language, and even creating content. AI can be categorized into different types. 1. Narrow AI, weak AI. This type of AI is designed to perform a specific task, like facial recognition, speech recognition, or playing chess. It operates within a limited range of functions. 2. General AI, strong AI, a theoretical type of AI that would have the ability to perform any intellectual task that a human can do. It would possess general cognitive abilities. 3. Superintelligent AI. This is a hypothetical form of AI that surpasses human intelligence in all aspects, including creativity, problem-solving, and social intelligence. AI technologies are powered by various methods and approaches, including machine learning, ML, a subset of AI that involves training algorithms on data so they can learn to make predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed for those tasks. Deep learning, a subset of machine learning that uses neural networks with many layers, hence, deep, to model complex patterns and data. It is particularly effective in tasks like image and speech recognition. Natural language processing, NLP, a branch of AI focused on the interaction between computers and humans through natural language, enabling machines to understand, interpret, and respond to human language. AI has wide-ranging applications, including in healthcare, finance, transportation, entertainment, and many other fields, and it continues to evolve rapidly, raising both opportunities and challenges in terms of ethics, privacy, and societal impact.